Hello students, last class we have studied that introduction of MS Excel. So today we will see the features and parts of the MS Excel. So last class what we have studied, MS Excel, right? Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is a software used to create electronic spreadsheets, right? Electronic spreadsheets are worksheets. So an Excel document containing worksheets, okay, number of worksheets, group of worksheets are called workbook. That means number of worksheets are called workbook. What is worksheets? So worksheets are nothing but workbook. No, worksheets is also called spreadsheets. What is a spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is an arrangement of rows and columns, proper arrangement. So spreadsheet is a proper arrangement of rows and columns are called spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is nothing but worksheet. Collection of worksheets are called workbook. Okay, so how we start that? This is my desktop, right? So this is my desktop. Right click on that, go to new. So in that Microsoft Excel worksheet. So here I am giving one name, that is book 1, right? Sorry, book 1. Whether it is yeah, it is recording. Okay, open this. Wait a minute. Office Excel, MS Excel here. So this is title bar. As we know that this is the address window. There are two windows are present. This is the address window and this is the working area. That means document area. Okay, worksheet area. Okay, so here this is the address window, right? So title bar, menu bar, and these are the ribbons. Okay, so formatting bar here. So here this is the part of the what Excel window. Okay, parts of the Excel window. So this is title bar, right? So as I told that address window, so application window is larger than the document window. Application window or address window, application window is larger than document window. This document window is present within the address window, application window. This is application window, right? So this is the application window. So menu bar, title bar, menu bar, and here ribbons are there, and this is the document area. So this is the status bar, sheet 1. Sheet 1 nothing but worksheets are spreadsheet. So minimum 3 worksheets are present every workbook, every worksheet. So 3 worksheets are present, sorry, workbook, in workbook minimum 3 sheets are spreadsheets are present. Okay, so here see title bar, what it will give? This is the top of the this is on top of the screen, right? This is on the top of the screen. Title bar displays the name of the current working document. Okay, current document or current program, and it also having minimize, maximize and close button, and these are the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar, okay, this is present on the title bar only. This helps to do common task, common operations with just one click. So save the file and undo and redo, so like that. Okay, so next ribbons. So these are the ribbons. Okay, this part menu as well as standard toolbar, it also called what ribbons. Ribbons means ribbons contains 2 parts. So tabs, okay, file, new, open, save, save as. If I want to open new, okay, so like this, new, open, home, these are the tabs, right, these are the tabs and these are the commands. See, if I click insert, these are the groups, we call groups. Why we are using? So these commands are used to perform some particular task, that's why we are using this Excel. Excel is a software, is an application, computer application software. It is used to perform particular task, right. So next, here the formula bar is there, this is the formula bar, okay, this is the formula bar. When we click this, these two operations will present, okay. So cancel the operation or cancel the activity or enter the activity. This formula bar is located below the ribbon, okay, these are the ribbon. Below the ribbon, this bar shows the characters and formulas that you are entering in an active cell. So this is active cell, whatever you are pressing here, so it will present here, okay. So this shows formula bar, it shows the characters or formulas whatever you are entering in active cell, it will shows. So but if I want to add any two numbers, every time in formula bar we have to start with, if I am using this formula, so I have to start with is equal to, okay. So I will explain in further things. And name box, name box, the name box is below the ribbon and see at the left side of the formula bar, this is the formula bar, this is the address window, sorry, name box, this area display, it shows, this name box, it shows the location of the cell pointer, the location of the cell pointer, the cell pointer refers to the active cell. So whatever the this border, thick border is there, no, it will shows the active cell, okay. See, this name box is a combination of column as well as row. So as we know that these are the columns and these are the rows. If I want to select the column, I can go to here to select all those things. These are the rows, right. So as we know that column are group of cell, grouping of cells runs from what, top to bottom, top to bottom, okay. These are the columns and these are the cell, right, row. So runs grouping of cells runs from left to right are called rows. So intersection of the row and column is called cell, okay, is called cell. So intersection of the rows and columns called cell. What is cell? Why we are using that cell means each cell, okay, each cell is an intersection of rows and columns. Cell address, so it gives the cell address, right, cell address, name box, it gives the cell address. Why cell address is need for us? So every cell has unique cell address, okay, specified by the column and row number of the cell. See here, my active cell is here present, okay, O3, O is column, 3 is row, like that it will show. So, as we know that why we need this MS Excel Calc means Calc, because information is not always in words, right. It can include numbers, figures, calculations, complicated calculations, storing different types of information. So, that is why for such calculations we need a special software that is called spreadsheet. Okay. Spreadsheet is a computer application that consists multiple of cells, okay, arranged in the form of rows and columns. This is called spreadsheet, right. So, spreadsheet is nothing but it is a computer application, right. So, what it will do? It is used for organizing or arranged in the form of rows and columns. It has ability to perform simple as well as complicated applications, calculations. Each cell consists alphanumeric values, text, numeric values, and numbers, formulas, text, etc. Okay. Spreadsheet is a larger calculator with the ability to perform simple and as well as complicated calculations. That is why we are using Calc, MS Excel Calc. So, VZ Calc is first VZ Calc. Okay. So, I will write it here. VZ Calc. It is first electronic spreadsheet, okay, first electronic spreadsheet, but now there are many electronic spreadsheets are present, Apache electronic spreadsheets, Calc and LibreCalc, etc. But in our syllabus we are using OpenOffice Calc, that is MS Excel directly, okay. So, if I want to type, I want to create new data about the school, okay, about the students, then easily we can pick any student information. So, that is why we are using what Calc, okay, to save, create, new, edit, calculate information. For such operations we are using Calc, okay. Is it clear? So, move on to the sheet tab. So, here sheet tabs are present. Sheet tab, what it will do? Worksheets. So, worksheet name appear on the sheet tab, okay. The active sheet name is shows in bold letters, okay. It shows in bold letters. So, why? Because we are working in this sheet, that is why that will show, that will display it in bold letters, okay. We can move from one sheet to another by clicking its tab, that is it, clear, okay. So, next status bar, this displays the current status of the cells and zoom option. So, here zoom option this is, okay, clear. So, this is the document window. An Excel document is called workbook, this is called workbook, right. This is called workbook, clear. The Excel document window, this window displays the currently working sheet, okay. Is it clear?